Hello, today we concern with how to do HIV test and its result interpretation. So let's go. About procedure. Open the sealed pouch and remove the test device and use device as soon as possible. Add 3 free falling drops of buffer and wait for drying. Dispense 1 drop sample with provided dropper or 50 microliter from micropipette and leave for drying. Now add 5 drop buffer and wait for drying. Then put free falling 2 drops conjugate and leave for drying. Finally add 5 drops buffer and after drying interpret the result. Observation: no pink color dot or any pink color dot without control dot, test is invalid. So repeat with new test device. Only pink color dot at control region, test is negative. Any pink dot plus of control dot, test is positive. But here you can see the only one dot at only control region, so the test is negative.